So, okay. So, most of the, everybody, I'm not a digital marketer. I just use technology to sell my products and services. Uh, uh, but there might be a reason why you've had me here, and thank you for that. Um Most of the digital marketers, and if you Google any of these channels which you see on the screen with the keyword with marketing 2020 added to that, you will get all the answers. So these are all the answers. There are 20 channels here, and you can type that in the chat box on how many have you heard. How many have you heard about? Okay, Manisha
11,
says all.
12,
19.
11, 12.
But teachable.
Except Kajabi. I think most of us won't have heard of Kajabi.
Yeah, great.
Teachable, Udemy also haven't heard.
Okay. So 11, 12, 18, 19, all of them,
Whatever.
right? And how many have you used?
7.
7.
Used to sell our products or promote ourselves, or just use generally?
Use generally.
Yeah, you generally, sell your products or promote them, promote yourself, personal branding.
17.
Well, answer.
17.
15, 13, yeah. Yeah, and so it's anywhere between, 10 to 18, right? So there you go, you have all the answers already. I don't really need to tell you that, give you more knowledge or give you any answers. So what I really, when Kanchan asked me to do the presentation, I was wondering that how can I contribute? And that is where I thought that, as a business owner, we do not ask questions to ourselves. So my presentation is all about asking questions to ourselves. Is that okay with everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. And these questions might be not linked directly to digital marketing, and I'll, in the end, I will make an attempt to link them to how we can use them in digital marketing. Some of them might be confrontational. You might have to confront yourself. You might not have the answer right now, but just stay with the question and write whatever comes to your mind. Does every one of you have a pen and paper? And can you, and you don't have to focus on the, you don't have to write the question. I'll anyway send the presentation to you, but just focus on the answers. And when, uh, let me just move forward. Can you, yeah. So with the questions, just be intentional, stay with the question for some time, and be laconic, be as brief as possible. In most of the cases, you should be able to answer it with one word. Do not go into stories and explanation, just answer with one word, whatever comes to your mind. Is that okay with everyone? Okay, so we'll move forward, and we'll stay with the question for about 20-30 seconds, and then you can keep writing down the answers. Probably sometimes it could be one word, 2 words, 2 words come to your mind, or 3 words, whatever it is, just keep writing that down. Yeah. So the first question is, it's not about money. What would be that which keeps you in the current business? Yeah, you can also share it in the chat if you want, or if you want to write, keep it to yourself, you can write that in your notes. And
Puneet, I have
as
a
it is,
small
Sanjeev ji,
request.
yes,
Puneet, I have a small request. Keep the
sure,
time between the questions as least, because when you give us more time, then we tend to start thinking of more. So it should be the first answer
absolutely.
that comes to our mind.
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. I'm just waiting for everyone to, so it's about 20 seconds, 30 seconds that we'll keep between, or somebody could be the timekeeper and ask me to, you can say next and I'll go to the next slide.
Let's keep it at 10 seconds.
Yeah,
Okay. Fair enough.
great. So, if you overheard people talking about you, what three words would describe you? I'm not looking at the chat because if I look at the chat, then slides are not visible. And so,
Absolutely.
yeah, we go to the next one.
Yes.
What words would you use to describe the outcome your customer has for themselves when they use your product?
Here, Puneet, the word will change exponentially depending on the nature of service provided.
That's what it is to inquire, Sanjeevji.
Okay.
You use that's where you crystallize your thoughts.
Okay.
Right now, we keep depending on. We use a lot of depends on.
Puneet, next question.
Yeah. So take your biggest customer. What would he or she be saying about your company that makes him or her come back for more? Done?
Yes.
Okay. So the next question is, consider that you don't like meeting people. If you had to convince yourself to go to a networking event, what would you tell yourself? What would that incentive be for you to go to a networking event? I'm not giving you any examples because those words have to be yours. Consider that you don't like, I think this one got repeated, is it?
Yeah.
If you had to take someone on a vacation with you, what qualities would make that person likable? What qualities would you seek in that person? Consider that your life has a fixed tenure. It ends on your 100th birthday. On your 100th birthday, looking back, what would you see your life's work is built up of? Think of 3 personalities that inspire you. What is that single thing about each one of them that inspires you? Done? Remember your best day till now. What activities did you do that day which moved you and brought you joy? Think of your 3 big pocket customers. What's their hangout place? Where would you bump into them? Where are they most likely to be?
Here, my customers are export. I mean, guys living abroad here. I won't even know
Yeah,
where they'll be.
yeah. You can imagine where they would be. You know,
Yeah.
it's more about their interest. Yeah, are they at a cafe or a golf course or at the movies or in the forest, wherever? Done? Tushar, you don't know, but that's a good question to ask yourself.
I understand this now.
Yeah, yeah. That's the whole idea. Okay, so how many words do you have?
We've typed them all. I haven't counted them.
Yeah, I mean, approximately. How many?
We should have had about 10 words, 10 or 12 words by now.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
maybe about 20.
16.
20
Aman
odd
is saying
words.
16.
Hmm.
I did
Yeah,
for 2 questions.
Sorry,
I have answer for 2 questions. Last 2.
I got that.
at least
Do you
about 30 words.
still have some words? Yeah, yeah. Great. Now look at the channels again. These are the channels which are waiting for your stories. And these are the words that describe you. What you like in a person is what you like about yourself. Where they hang out is where you want to hang out. What you like, what inspires you is what is inspirational about yourself. This is my small thing which will make big difference. Take each of these words and then take each channel and ask a new question. What story do I share about that word on that channel that would delight my customer?
Awesome.
Would you like to share anything which came up for you?
Tushar, you had some kind of learning in the last 2 questions, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think
Yes.
so.
Would you like to share what came up for you?
I don't know what my best customers would be doing, so I need to know them more.
Yeah.
Working always on the commercial things with them, but I need to know them personally more. And I cannot guess my best day because maybe I have a lot of them, or I am still waiting for it.
Yeah.
Not satisfied with what I have currently achieved.
Yes. So Tushar, you think from a place when on a day when you were joyful, maybe on a vacation, any day which you have a very clear memory of कि यार ये दिन बहुत अच्छा था.
So I took my daughter in my hands.
Yeah.
That was the best time.
Yes. Yes. And there were things that you were doing on that day, and there were things happening around you.
I was just concentrated on that moment.
Yes.
Not care
Yes.
for anything.
Yes.
The first time I took her in my hands.
Absolutely. And there was this new kind of wonderment that you had about your daughter.
It was a crazy moment.
Yeah. Great. Anything else that you want to share?
Who else would like to share? I see Kanchan wanting to share something.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I would want to give it a shot. Back in 2000, I would say it was around 12 or 11. Maybe I was teaching kids in a village in Ladakh. I saw a mountain. It was off day, and there was a icy waterfall, and I thought इसको चढ़ के देखते हैं ऊपर क्या होगा. So अपना बैकपैक लेके चढ़ दिए, चढ़ते रहे, शाम हो गई, ऊपर पहुंचे. ऊपर पहुंचने के बाद लगा कि अब नीचे कैसे जाएं. The hill was so steep that I literally had to like take out a rope, figure some really crazy stuff out, and somehow towards the end of the night I was able to come back when people of the village were looking for me. And when I think about that story, I really think that's exactly like an entrepreneur's journey, and I think by telling that story I would be able to add a lot of value to many entrepreneurs.
Right. Yeah, people are waiting for your stories, Aditya.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what we really do is sell our product, but to sell our product, people have to like you.
Yeah.
When they like you, their money is yours. It eventually follows, there's this entrepreneur called Grant Cardone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The real
He talks
estate
about-
guy, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So he talks about OPM, other people's money.
Yeah.
He says other people's money is yours when they like you. Okay, great.
So Puneet, this exercise,
Yes.
I know this was a very simple kind of exercise asking these questions, but what always fascinates me about you is that with such simple things, you come up with such deep thoughts. Whereas if you actually ask these questions, like if I ask myself these questions, I know 19 of these 20. I don't know what Kajabi is about. And by the end of the day today, I will know exactly what Kajabi is
You
about.
can just
Meaning that-
Google Naman. I don't have to tell you that.
No, I'm saying by the end of the day, I
Yeah.
will know exactly what it's
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
The thing is, I'm knowing that I know these 19 places, knowing that I know those stories,
Yeah.
what am I doing about them? That question raised in my mind. Am
Yeah.
I sharing my stories? Am I actually going out and being vulnerable and exposing who I am?
Yeah.
And incidentally, I tried that yesterday. I think it had a good effect. It was a chance encounter that I had. One of our alchemy panelists was sick, and so Kanchan said, "Why don't you take a place?" And I wasn't willing to do that. But when I did it, when I started, I realized, yes, it had a massive result for me. I mean, regardless of what it did for anybody else, it actually changed my mind about a lot of things. And I think if we ask these questions to ourselves, if we can answer them and do something about it, we can execute on them.
Yeah.
I think we will also have fabulous results. And not just money, we will also have great relationships and a lot of connects. And a simple question like, what are your customers doing? What do they like to do? We've never actually asked our customers what they like to do. We tell them how good we are always.
Yeah.
Always fascinated with how you can focus on these small things and come out with big results.
Yeah.
Actually,
And you can do this every time. Yes.
one thing struck me when you said that what we are expecting our customers to be doing is what we would like to be doing ourselves. That hit home very hard. The fact of the matter is that for the past 5 months, my wife Vinita and I are always home in the evening. We don't have any family with us, just the two of us here. But that's what we're doing every evening. So my mind automatically goes to that side. My customers will also be very happy being at home with their families rather than running from one point to the other and catching infection or whatever. It's how your mind has got conditioned in the immediate past that is forcing you to come up with these possible answers. I mean, that in my case, I seem to be thinking that way after you hit that big 6 by saying that's how we are actually thinking for ourselves.
Absolutely.
Is what we are attributing our 3 big customers to be wanting to do.
Yeah.
So it's kind of very, very powerful.
Sanjeevji, these, whatever words, 10, 15, 30, whatever you got, this is your fabric. This is what you are made up of. And, if any marketing, if I spoke about YouTube or Quora or anything, if that does not align with your fabric, you would anyways not take action. So unless we know what we are made up of, my giving you answers won't help at all.
It can lead to help us self-realize.
Yes.
That can be a helping move. What you say can help us to analyze ourselves and reach a result.
Yeah.
But you can't give us the result. We can't
be
dictated to that this is the result. We have to
There
accept
is-
it and condition ourselves to
Absolutely.
it.
And the action will only be taken when you know about what you really want
Yeah.
to, what you really align with.
I
True.
think what also came up was that when you asked about that one moment in which we remembered. I think there are a lot of moments like that in our lives, and we kind of tend to forget those great moments. And while I'd answered the question very quickly about friends and family, but when I think about it, there are multiple moments, and if we can recall them and put them down on paper or the net or anywhere else, if we can record them somewhere,
Yeah.
we can go back and experience those moments again. That will actually give us a nice inspiration.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So fabulous.
Great.
I want to share one more quick thought.
Yeah.
When you said which was that moment, and I answered, it hasn't yet come.
Mm-hmm.
My answer really was the moment my daughter was born, the first day. I mean, I was about 26 years old,
Yeah.
and I held her in my arms.
Yeah.
So I was like absolutely impressed with this creativity that happened. But
Yeah.
what held me back from answering that question in that way was what happens when my grandchildren come.
Yeah.
They say interest is more dear than principle.
Hmm.
So my grandchildren may give me greater joy than
Yeah.
what my children gave me by coming through.
Yeah. Yeah.
I answered that it hasn't yet come.
And
Just sharing my honesty with you all.
Yes.
Sanjeev sir, my grandfather used to say that.
I know which way I'm headed, Aditya. Thanks for the compliment.
And Sanjeev ji, you really need to get that, whatever you just said,
Yeah.
it's all about you're amazed by the creation. You created your daughter, and your daughter will create her daughter or son or whoever it is. You are joyful when when you see creation. Yeah. So when I contribution was one of my words, and when I looked at contribution, I came up with this channel which is Quora, and I wrote one answer every day. And actually, I did not write it; I had it ghost written, and I wrote 214 answers in 6 months. This is a screenshot taken today in the morning, and I ranked on top, and I'm not even an Ayurvedic doctor. Today, Quora gives us 10% of our revenue, not because we do anything uh, salesy about it. We just write answers, and people look us up and say that, okay, oh, Puneet is from Nirogam. Okay, let me go to Nirogam. So it comes out of what you want to really do.